Video 4.9 Azure CDN. In this video, we will cover the following topics. What is CDN? Features of Azure CDN. Consider that you are using a website. You want to see the contents of the website. If the organization hosting the website is not using CDN, there would be a bit of a delay in loading it. But if hundreds of users are accessing the website's load will be increased, which increases the delay. You will be dissatisfied. To cope up with this problem, the organization should use a Content Delivery Network or CDN. This is what a CDN does. It distributes the static content like pictures and videos to locations near to the user. You can cache content at strategically placed physical nodes across the world and provide better performance to end users. CDN is a network of servers that are distributed to deliver content to users effectively. They reduce the latency by caching the content in specific locations across the world. Let us discuss some of the features of Azure CDN. Dynamic Site Acceleration. Azure CDN caches static content. Dynamic content like dynamic websites are those which change with time. It is challenging to cache this type of content. With the feature Dynamic Site Acceleration, dynamic content can also be cached near to your users and it can help reduce the latency. CDN Caching Rules. The content is cached in specific locations, and if it is not used by the users, the cached content gets deleted after a specific amount of time. So CDN has caching rules which can be modified and set as per the requirement. Azure Diagnostic Logs. Assume that you are hosting a shopping website. You are using CDN to provide low latency. If you want to monitor the places where more customers are using your website or any usage metrics, it can be possible by enabling logging. The data can be exported to the Azure Storage account or Event Hub, and useful insights can be obtained. File compression. Transfer of data of small size is faster than transferring data of large size. There is a feature in Azure CDN that enables file compression that helps in fast data transfer. Geo-filtering. The content can be filtered so that it can be available to only a few users of your application. The application can also be made available only in a few locations by creating rules on specific parts of CDN endpoints. Using these features, we can use Azure CDN in a better way. In summary, in this video, we have covered the following topics. What is CDN? Features of Azure CDN. Section Summary. In this section, we have covered the following topics. The evolution of cloud compute services, Azure Virtual Machines, Azure Container Services, Azure Functions, Azure Storage Services, Azure VNets and Subnets, Azure Database Services, Azure Marketplace, Azure CDN. In the next section, we will cover Azure Solutions.